Okay, so I changed something on here. Actually, my brother gave me the idea because he's a good carpenter too, and I had him, which I mean I like him both ways, but that's flat. It looks cool. Yeah, you see him done like that a lot. All right, with the raised panel and all that. But then when you look at that, and I left the flat part, on there. And I just added that to it so it looks like there's a piece of trim under it. So it was like a double bonus. But that's what I decided to do. And doesn't that look like 10 times better? It really does. And then you have that one. Big difference, right? It just looks a little beefier. Now I just have to, on the bottom, I just have to, I'm going to do a couple of pieces of trim, I think maybe along the top and then maybe around the bottom just to break that up because that's awfully, thick. I wanted a 2x8 thickness, but it's got to be broken up still. It still looks too bulky. But that really, thanks a lot, Chuck. You hooked me up, man. Great idea. Yeah, when two people are drinking about things, they come up with great ideas. All right, guys, y'all have a good night now. Bye.